Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm unboxing and sharing my first impressions of the AULA F99 Pro mechanical keyboard. I've already been using this keyboard with my iMac for a few weeks, so I'll share my real experience after spending some time with it. Let's start with the unboxings. Okay, straight out of the box, you get the manual and the quick manual here. I recommend if this is your first time to use this keyboard, you have to read all of this. This quick manual tells you how to switch between macOS to Windows, from Windows to iOS, and from iOS to Android. Just for your information, this keyboard supports all the systems: macOS, Windows, Android, and iOS. And yes, you get a keyboard itself. It's beautiful. Look at that design. It's black, but the keycaps come with 3 different colors for this model. As you can see, this is a green, gray, and black. So the combination of the 3 different colors makes this keyboard beautiful. I really love it. Okay, what else inside the box? Yes, over here. You get 2 extra keys just in case any keycaps is broken, so you can use this to replace. This is the tool which you need to use it in order to take out the keycaps and to replace the key itself. On the left side, you get the USB, so the USB type A to USB type C. So you don't have to worry about your keyboard running out of battery, because when the battery is low or when it runs out of battery, you can just use this wire to connect to your computer. Now let's take a closer look at the keyboard itself. This is the black version and it comes with the 3 color keycap combination: black, gray, and green, which gives it a very clean but slightly playful look. The keyboard uses a 96% layout with 99 keys. So I still get the number pad, but in a more compact size. On the top right, there is a metal media control knob, and it feels solid and well built. One of the first things I noticed when typing is how soft and damped the key feels. The AULA F99 Pro uses a gasket mount structure with a 5-layer dampening system, including silicone, IXPE, PET, and Poron foam. It comes with a pre-lubed LEOBOG switches, and straight out of the box, the typing feels smooth and controlled without any hollow sound. For long typing sessions, especially when working on my iMac, it feels very comfortable. The keyboard is hot-swappable, supporting both 3-pin and 5-pin switches, so I can easily change switches later if I want. It also features south-facing RGB lighting, with more than 16 lighting effects, including a music scenes mode. I personally keep the RGB subtle, but the lighting looks very nice and evenly spread. I've been using this keyboard with my iMac for a few weeks, and the macOS experience has been surprisingly good. All the function keys work just like on the Apple Magic Keyboard. F1 and F2 adjust the screen brightness. F5 and F6 control the keyboard brightness, just like the keyboard on a MacBook Pro. F10, 11, and 12 are used for volume control. The option of Alt key also behaves exactly the same as the Magic Keyboard. So switching to this keyboard feels very natural and not confusing at all. The AULA F99 Pro supports tri-mode connection, 2.4 GHz wireless, Bluetooth, and USB-C wired. Switching between modes is easy, and I haven't had any connection issues at all. It also has a large 1000 mAh battery, which lasts a long time, even with RGB turn on occasionally. So far, I've really enjoyed using the AULA F99 Pro. The design, typing feel, and macOS compatibility all fit my workflow very well. Let me know what keyboard you're using right now. If you enjoyed this unboxing and first impression review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.